Now that we have a print statement or something to visualize, let's go over how to run the code from the command line. The first step is, if you're on Windows, go and open PowerShell, and Macs can go and open Terminal. The next step is navigating to the terminal using the first command that can be found in the commands.txt file. Once we navigate there using cd desktop/plotlyworkshop, the only other command we need to run is python plotlyworkshop.py. This will run the code under that specific file. Now, if you already have Plotly, NumPy, and Pandas installed, the code should have run and you can see your data frame. If you received an error saying you didn't have one of those three libraries installed, follow these commands: pip install Plotly, pip install Pandas, and pip install NumPy. If you're on Mac, you may need to add the word sudo in front of all of those commands to run as an administrator. If you're getting a pip not found error, I would first troubleshoot with your Python version or path before continuing. Now that the libraries are installed, everything should run fine when we again type in python plotlyworkshop.py. In the next video, we will analyze the results of this print.